Next up, I'd like to welcome Joel and Ricardo from ebankIT. Now, this demo is fantastic. I'll tell you about it afterwards, what I think is amazing about it. But good luck, guys. There's a lot to pack in. So brilliant.
Thank you, Aaron. So my name is João Pinto. I am CEO of ebankIT. ebankIT has a true omnichannel platform integrated with the Temenos core banking system and uses as well other components. As well, we have a presence on the marketplace where we're placing some of the innovation part from our solutions so that other partners can use it and download and integrate with that. In terms of our omnichannel solution, we use state-of-the-art technology. The projects have a short time to market with a short implementation and very agile to make them work. Some of our customers are already here, so it's a pleasure to be here at the Temenos event. Here we're going just to demonstrate some part of the innovations on the mobile, and we're going to demonstrate 5 things. So we're going to start with simplicity of authentication using biometrics. We're going to show you voice commands, how it is easy to interact with your bank using natural voice. We're going to make a usage of big data, and how banks can offer better service to their customers. Then we're going to show you a bit of social help, how to subscribe the best product for a user. And we're going to finalize with augmented reality, a new way where banks can interact with their customers in a very helpful way. I'll pass the word to my colleague Ricardo, that is going to do the demonstration.
Hi, everyone. So all banking applications must log in. Usually, we have to use some kind of username, password combination, or even a PIN. But let's be honest, those credentials are easy to forget. So we at ebankIT have added biometric authentication to our products. So I'll start by demonstration voice authentication. Hello, ebankIT. May I enter, please? And I've just logged in. So now I can do the usual operations like checking my balance or getting my latest transactions. But what I want to do is show you our smart assistants controlled by voice. Let's start by searching a transaction.
Hello, Paulo Oliveira. How may I help you today?
Search all my purchases at the Apple Store.
Okay, here is a list of everything you bought at Apple Store.
So this is a quite long list. I will do some filtering. Older than 5 years.
Here is a list of all your transactions with Apple Store, older than 5 years. Navigating to your transfer.
Sorry, there was a mishap here. Let me just repeat this. So.
Oliveira, how may I help you today?
So the phone is a little bit confused. So I was saying I can search all transactions at Apple Store.
Here is a list of everything you bought at Apple Store.
Do a filtering with older than 5 years.
Here is a list of all your transactions with Apple Store, older than 5 years.
Okay, now as you can see, I have bought my first iPhone 8 years ago. So let's drill into the details using our 3D Touch implementation. So if I press just a little bit, I can peek into the details. If I slide up, I can access the context menu, for example, to see PDF or send email. And if I press a little bit hard, I can see full details. With our big data solution, we can search all our transactions, not only the last 6 months. So, for example, I can see that this phone was bought at Regent Street in London, and that I have even attached a document with the invoice. So if I have any troubles with the warranty, I can just check it out. And because we have a loyalty cards implementation, I can also see with which cards I have used to make this transaction. So now let's go back to Smart Assistants, because he can also help us navigation through the app and fill in details for us. So let's start with the transfer. Transfer 100 euros to James.
Navigating to your transfer.
So as you can see, Smart Assistant has found a beneficiary called James and has filled in all the details for us. He has even filled in the amount of £100. Next, we have to authenticate this transfer. How? Using biometrics, of course. So I press continue, and first I will start with facial recognition. Let me see. And it's done. And next, fingerprint authentication. And it's done. Pretty easy. Now, moving on to product subscription. Sometimes I have a hard time deciding which products are better suited for me. So what I do, I just go online and I search for reviews and comments about those products. But now we have added a great help by integrating the social media into our products. So if I choose a saving subscription product, I can see all the comments and reviews that the product has, and even how many people have subscribed to this product. Now, for the last part of it, I want to show you our augmented reality implementation. With augmented reality, we can add a new way of interacting with our customers. So by just picking up a simplified leaflet like this one, I can add extra detail to it. So let me just point it here. As you can see, the app has even added my account on the left, and it's showing me how much I will earn if I subscribe to this deposit. And to subscribe, I just have to press the button. And it's done. Pretty easy. Thank you.
Well done, Ricardo. So basically, this is our demonstration. ebankIT has an omni-channel platform with lots of components. The way you use innovation is to position yourselves, banks, ahead of competition, and as well to offer services to clients that are helpful and facilitate the way they interact with their bank and make them more loyal. One of the things we showed you is how you use the information from your 10-year transactions or 15-year transactions and make the use for your customers. So please feel free to contact us, ebankIT. We have an office in London as well. We cover part of the globe, and we're here in the event also. So thank you very much, with 1 minute to spare. Thank you. Bye.